Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to join and earn money from Louis Vuitton affiliate program. Okay, first things first, open your web browser and perform a search for the Louis Vuitton affiliate program INR deals. Click then on the first search result or the link that leads to Louis Vuitton affiliate program website. On the program website, locate the registration section. You may be asked to choose whether you are a shopper, publisher, or advertiser. Follow then the on-screen instructions to complete your registration. After registering, you'll be given access to the affiliate program's interface. To start generating affiliate links, ensure that you complete your profile information. This often includes personal and contact details. Then, just go to the Update Profile section and enter all the necessary details to complete your profile. This step ensures that your affiliate account is ready for use. Locate then the Affiliate Tracking Link Generator section on the affiliate program website. Copy the link of Louis Vuitton product you want to promote. You can do this by visiting the Louis Vuitton website and selecting a specific product. Just paste the copied product link into the provided field in the affiliate tracking link generator. And click on the Generate Affiliate Link button. This action will create an affiliate tracking link for the product you selected. If you prefer a shorter URL for sharing, you may have the option to click on a Shorten URL button. This will generate a more concise link. And if you want to promote multiple Louis Vuitton products or create additional affiliate links, just click on Generate Another or similar options as provided. And now that you have generated affiliate links, you can start sharing them on your website, blog, social media, or any other platforms. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it! You can now join and earn money from Louis Vuitton affiliate program. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!